Every great achievement starts with a single, often unremarkable step. Think about it. Nobody wakes up one day at the peak of success. Whether it's building a career, mastering a skill, or finding inner peace, the journey always begins with a quiet, deliberate decision to begin. Yet in a world obsessed with instant results, we often overlook the power of these small, consistent actions. Today, let's reflect on how embracing small steps can transform your life and guide you from zero to hero. Picture this. You're standing at the base of a mountain. It feels overwhelming, impossible even, but you take one step forward, then another. Before you know it, those steps accumulate into progress. That's the essence of personal growth. Small wins compound over time, and they don't just build your skills, they build your belief in yourself. Here's the thing. Success isn't about giant leaps. It's about intentional, consistent steps. Want to improve your health? Start by drinking more water or walking 10 minutes a day. Want to grow your mind? Read one page of a book daily. These micro actions might seem trivial in isolation, but they're like seeds. You may not see the growth immediately, but with patience and care, they blossom into something extraordinary. But it's not just about doing more. It's about doing what matters. Take a moment to reflect. Are the steps you're taking aligned with the person you want to become? Life moves quickly, and it's easy to fill our days with busyness rather than purpose. Pause, breathe, and ask yourself, am I spending my time on things that truly matter? Mindfulness is the compass that keeps you on the right path. Remember, growth isn't always visible. Some days will feel like nothing's changing, and that's okay. Real transformation happens quietly. The caterpillar doesn't become a butterfly overnight, and neither will you. But every small choice you make to learn, to grow, to try again, brings you closer to the person you're meant to be. Celebrate those small victories. They're the foundation of big wins. So take that first step. It doesn't have to be perfect or impressive. It just has to be yours. Trust the process, reflect on your priorities, and keep moving forward. One step at a time, you'll go from zero to hero. Your journey starts now. What step will you take today? If you found value in this reflection, I invite you to subscribe to this channel so we can continue this journey of self-discovery together. Remember, the path to understanding begins with a single step.